Anyway, it says wild bear shit in the woods. Sometimes they shit on a rail and that. So this is Dual Sport Apocalypse. Oh, just smacked a weed. We're gonna ride another section of abandoned railroad. Helps to stand up. Oh, I turned to look back and almost dumped myself. Here comes the first bridge. There's quite a few bridges on this one. A pile of bear poop right on the rail. He walked out here on the bridge and then took a big crap. So last time I did this, I dumped it once and then I was getting off the bike on the bridge and I put my left leg right through the railroad ties. Went down pretty hard. My back smacked right up against the rail, but I wear this body armor, so I mean I felt the impact, but I didn't feel any damage, thank God. I don't know how many miles I'm going to be able to get out of this section. Holy crap, that's a hell of a waterfall right there. Wow. Roll this up a little more. That is an amazing waterfall. I don't know if you guys can see that. Nobody's seeing this waterfall. I mean, unless they got a dual sport or maybe some guy come back here in an ATV, I don't know. That's pretty cool. Well, somebody's been back here because they've cut these down trees. Oh, jeez, that's criminy. I almost dumped myself. I gotta admit, this rail is kind of creepy compared to the other one I did, because, I mean, this one looks like it actually could be used, but I know it's not. Here's another bridge. Oh, I'm getting shake to death. Another waterfall. Let's see if there's any trout down there. I'm a little paranoid now walking on bridges. Gee whiz, I wonder why. I'm gonna come over here and see what kind of tracks are down in that. You never know what you're gonna see for tracks. Look at that waterfall. Actually, I don't know, it's not a waterfall, but it's dropping quite a ways, but it's definitely a beautiful section. So my goal today is not fall. Just don't fall. That's my goal every time I go out and ride. Well, saying goodbye to this bridge. I don't know if I'm coming back this way, because it'll connect with the road down in here somewhere, and depending on how it's going, might keep going for a ways, see if I can get 20 miles of this. I don't know. Another bridge right away. I wonder why some of them have these tall sidewalls. Yeah, I don't know what's going on here. Oh, you think you'd see some fish on this one, a little deeper. I don't know why it's got these big sidewalls. Wow. Holy crap. Okay, I'm afraid of heights and I just looked down. Didn't even know I was overhanging that. I don't catch on that quick. That river just runs right next to this. Now look to see if there's any moose down there. Oh, another pile of bear shit on the railroad. So if you're wondering, does a wild bear shit in the woods? Ow! Fuck, that hurt! Oh, Lord, what the hell hit me in the knee? What the hell just smacked me in the damn knee? I mean, wide open. So apparently riding rails ain't the safest thing to do. I think I was talking about bear shit. Yeah. Maybe a big clump of bear shit came up and hit me in the knee. I was gonna say so far so good, but I can't really say that. Yeah. So you can hear the rocks hit the rails, the tires kick them up. Alright. Get a little issue here. This one doesn't look too bad. Can I move this thing? I think I'm going to try my new saw. There it is. The big boy. Big boy 2000. Alright, let's saw this thing. Let's see how it goes. Maybe it'll break if I pull it now. Not quite. Needs a little more coaxing. Alright. I feel like a regular lumberjack now. I think this is the section I can't move. See? A little more better planning. I would have cut it that direction. Well thought out cut there, wouldn't it? Whatever. Sorry about the heavy breathing. Get the saw tied back down. Who the heck knows how I did it before? That didn't do shit. What a mess. Run this down through here. Leave it half-ass tied on there. Probably see it fall off. That'd be the first clue. I did a shitty tie-down job. We're gonna go underneath the tree. Oh, I just banged my head into the phone. You know, it's not a warm day. It's like 65, but in the sun wearing black, it's kind of warm. So it feels good to have the air moving. It really dumps off there. You don't want to fall down that. And another bridge. I don't see any fish. strain the leg good too. Let's see how much more rail we got to go here. Sit down for a second. Do the zoom, just figuring where the hell we're at. There's another bridge. Oh, go down a gear, go down a gear. Yeah. Alright, we'll go back and check that one out, see what it looks like. Looks like the bike's gonna fall over, but who the hell knows? Okay, let's walk out here. Don't want to fall on my ass. Is that a fish? Shaped like a big damn fish. Alright, step up on the rail. Swing the leg over. I should have got a dual sport like 30 years ago. Yeah. It'd been a hell of a lot easier. So maybe I'm like in a midlife crisis right now. A lot of bridges on this. Wow. Check out this. That's a hell of a view. I don't want to launch myself into the creek. Son of a gun. Okay. I'm gonna unplug the mic here. Maybe you guys can hear that besides me breathing. There, probably better not hearing my breath. Sound like Darth Vader. I don't think he sounds like that. What the hell does he sound like? That sounded like a angry bear. Real crappy tie down job I did here. It's not going anywhere, it just looks stupid. Well, that's better. Oh, this is so nice. Oh, this is like a vacation right here. Oh, I'm like on a beach. I got my feet up in the air, showing people my ugly toes. All railroad bridges should have a walkway like this. I'm just walking casually, doing my stretch. Spin. See if we can see some fish. Whoever built this Said some guy is gonna come here one day and go, damn, I wish this thing had a walkway. Let's just put it up for him. Let's just get it done. And then, well, you know what? If we're gonna go that far, let's give him something to hold on to. Give him that added extra security of a handhold. Yep. Alright, moving on, yuppie kids, moving on.